Welcome to the 42nd episode of Dividend Investing Insights, your one stop for all things dividend investing. Join us as we explore high yield shares, dividend growth strategies, and portfolio management techniques to maximize your investment returns. Subscribe now and take care of your financial future with the power of dividends. In the episode today, we will continue to look at the portfolio that we have built. However, like always, we'll start with a quick recap of the markets. The markets largely remained flat, with S&P 500 gaining 4.59 points. Nasdaq too gained a little higher, 111 points, but ended at 17,928 points. And here locally in Australia, ASX 200 lost 6.8 points to end at 8,231 points. However, like as I always said, share prices, stock markets will go up and down all the time. However, you as an investor should invest in companies that have the ability to pay dividends now, increase the dividend in future, and are financially strong and stable. Anyway, with that, let's do a quick recap of the portfolio. We at first bought KDP, we bought 50 shares at 37.46. Then we bought JP Morgan Chase, we bought 10 at 210.5. Then we bought AT&T, 100 at 21.91. Then we bought CVS Health, 30 at 60.3. And at the end, we had bought Unilever PLC, 33 at 61.32. And this is what we had set out with. We had $10,000 in our pocket, which is what we invested. Let's see as to how these prices fare as of this recording. KDP is currently trading at 33.54. JP Morgan Chase is currently trading at 253.08. AT&T is trading at 27.84. CVS Health is trading at 66.97. And CVS Health is trading at 62.5 for a total portfolio value of 11,063 and 40 cents. However, that's not all. The dividends that we have earned that is available to us in cash is a total of $247.72, and this will continue to grow as we see, giving us a total portfolio value of 11,373.62 points. Now if you look at it, the dividend itself is 2% of the investment, and we have gained this in 2 quarters with another 2 quarters to go for the year. If this can get up to 8%, that will be a real good return, and add to it the share price that would have moved, which is where the power of dividend investing comes in. Anyway, putting this graphically as to how we have performed, this is how it looks. In the last 1 week, it has gone down a little, but we ignore that. However, overall, we are roughly 10% higher, 13% higher, I would say, 11,300 on an investment of $10,000. I expect this to go up around between at the end of the year between 11,500 and 12,000. However, we'll see as to how we end the year. But before we move towards the end of the episode, a quick look at what dividends are coming our way. Unilever PLC will be paying out on 13th of June a total of 52.01 cents per share. And as we end the episode, putting up the dividend investing checklist again, use it to make your investments. Happy investing, and look forward to seeing you in another episode of Dividend Investing Insights.